Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.